Hey guys, I'm Tyler with HAAS Stainless Cable Railing. If you happen to know your movies, you might recognize the home behind me from this scene in 2011's The Mechanic, starring Jason Statham. I guess real estate's really booming around here. So our friends Shane and Christy from Selective Designs recently reached out to us and told us about this awesome new remodel that they've been working on and how that they were going to need cable railing for the deck that is running all around the house and over to the guest house. So since we were right up the road in New Orleans, we thought, well, why don't we just head out there and we'll actually film a project series about how we installed each cable run for this deck and go over all the different component requirements, installation procedures, and even talk about some of the problem areas that we experienced. So you guys at home will get a really good idea of how we installed this system and how you might be able to apply the same principles to your own deck in your own backyard. So we hope you guys enjoy the next several videos of this video series, and the first stop is going to be the guest house.